Hi guys! Let's eat bangos! Ako para
final series, Coach Nico. Sap, ano masasabi mo sa napili ni Coach Jolly?
Snack
Alvin
sa
Octana?
We're
panihapon.
gonna be jolly guys. Kasi mananalo ka. Sorry.
Dali na, Bi!
Yes, ma'am. You had to slide that in. Okay.
May choice pa ba tayo? We're gonna go.
Nanay piso.
We're gonna go with
I don't
Barangay
like walay
Menendez.
piso.
Keep the trend.
Look.
I think it's been Octana and this guy the past 3 games. Let's make it 4 games. We're gonna go with Scotty Thompson. Great
Still,
choice.
Number?
still top 2 protagonists sa
Ay,
ating
wait, kutsara.
stat chase.
Ang
So,
suka,
the
suka,
choices
suka.
are in. It will be Calvin Octana for Coach Jolly and Sabrina. It will be Scotty Thompson for Coach Nico and Christine. At syempre, para sa lahat ng ating mga manonood ngayon, we'd like to remind everybody,
So
especially those
yummy.
watching in the venue, please show us your best pose.
Snack
Guys,
tagbalot kayo.
Christine, Sap, ano ba yung
Okay naman siya.
astig pose
Wala may rice.
natin? Nakikita natin, nagpa-flex yung mga fans. Yan, pakita po ninyo ang inyong mga pinaka-astig na poses when you are shown on the big screen
Sus, dapat
here
magwanay ko
inside the
kutsara.
big dome at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Yan na,
Sam Christine, do the pose. Yan. As if you guys
Duha lang
the
kabuok.
ones on the
Ay.
astig cam
Nagduha naman.
right now. Alright, we are moments away from game number 6 here in the
Lamig
PGA
na suka na, no?
Commissioners Cup Finals. We are so excited for
Wala
this
yung ikuan sa
showdown
guard.
between
Yan na to.
Barangay Ginebra San Miguel and the TNT Tropang Tiga. So let's get this show on the road. We'll see you again at the half.
Uy,
This
piso,
has
eh.
been your X's and
Uy, piso.
O's Arena Plus Live, presented by Arena Plus. Sama-sama sa Arena.
Why piso?
Good morning, kapatid. Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
Yan na, Bi!
Ted Filon at DJ Chacha. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This program
Two.
is brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle
Buti na
of
ako,
the PBA, and Arena Plus.
Panduha. Kanilang. Yan. Kautpon na sa brand.
Araneta Coliseum, and what a series it has been. But how does it feel to have left it all out on the floor? Left it for Kelly. And a foul is called on Hollis Jefferson. Nice idea. Just couldn't execute, and Jefferson will get him. 1 point apiece in every game.
Ito yung nangyari dun sa timeout. He was very, very upset.
May drama sa bench ng TNT kanina. Itong laban natin, pakbakan na matindi. Present to Octana. The fake, the step back, the 3. That's money. Hawk gets it to go.
Mas dagan pa mang
3-2 lead.
eggyok ani kay sa piso.
We all know it's a try
Wa man ni piso.
possession by possession every single
Kung
game.
gusto ka itong piso.
We can only hope at this point try to get this championship.
So Hollis Jefferson. 1 second to go. What you gonna do, JP? Makukuha na kaya nila ang kampyonato? Or will TNT get one first? Game number
Narag
7.
piso.
As we welcome you to the Smart Araneta
Yeah.
Coliseum in Cubao, Quezon City.
Yeah.
Night has fallen on our great metropolis.
Bangus.
The players have been
Ow,
here
balot.
earlier, as far as 2, maybe even 3 hours earlier to get themselves prepped up for
Galiko.
game number 6. Because the question to be asked is, will there be an extension or will there be a celebration tonight in
Bi.
San Miguel? is
Ikaw
on the
na sa
doorstep
magtumarkap
of the
kasi
Commissioners'
mo,
Cup Final,
Mambal.
but TNT Tropang Giga would like to keep the door shut and force a game 7 on Friday. On the other hand, let's all be ready for a great
you're right.
battle. You know, the confetti could fall tonight, but
Kano
it
po?
could be on Friday. Who knows? And we welcome you inside
Tara.
Smart Araneta Coliseum for game number 6
Kay Papa.
of the Commissioners' Cup
Siguro, ha?
Finals. It is a pleasure to be with you here tonight. And with
Bye.
friends for the long
I'm done.
none other than